What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are going to be going on a little bit of a ride to go and do some bike rollers, along with then going and taking the bike to a bike meetup. It's going to be over at Mint Motorcycles, which is the same place that I got this beautiful bike and such. But we'll see how it all goes. The weather is kind of not cooperating today, so hopefully I don't get soaked, but we're going to go and try and get a good ride in anyways. So with that being said, let's get on the bike and head it over there.
All right, we are getting going. The weather, as you can see, looks absolutely dreadful on one side, and then the other side is not too bad. Thankfully, we're going that way, so we'll be able to hopefully at least miss some of this bad weather. This is going to be hit or miss with this weather, to be honest, so hopefully it's going to just be, not pouring on me or on the event kind of deal, but I guess we'll see once we get there. And we got to get gas on our way over there. Oh man, that looks entirely dreadful over that way. Black clouds. Alright, let's get going. It's funny is the weather is just like one of those things that it was just going back and forth whether it was actually going to rain or not. It's one of those, if I didn't go, it's not gonna freaking rain and it's gonna be sunny and I'm gonna feel like I missed out and it just, yeah, that's just gonna suck. But if I am going, which I am, then essentially it's gonna just pour on me, because that's my luck that it'll actually do the exact opposite of what I'm hoping to do based on what I do, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, see, it's nice and like kind of sunny and not so bad looking, and then you look over that way and it looks absolutely terrible. And even behind me it looks even worse. It is nice being on the bike though. This week has been kind of weird and iffy, and I am definitely looking forward to being able to be on the bike and just at least relax as much as I possibly can. I mean, it's really dependent on the weather, but yeah, just being able to relax and just kind of enjoy myself will be really nice. Should have filled up beforehand, but I ran out of time to actually do that. So we're gonna have to fill up, I guess, twice, so I don't have to fill up at least for the remainder of this trip. Get through here, get some gas real quick. Jump on the highway. And the wind has picked up too. That weather looks so bad behind me. Ah, there's some bikers right there. They're probably trying to go to the same place I'm going to. Beat the rain there. Let's fill up this bike and then get going. Alright, I know the spot that we're going to. And I usually would get my GPS out here, but there is not enough time before that rain starts getting here. So we're just going to get going. And hopefully I don't get myself lost. Because, yeah, we're going to need to try to beat this weather. Oh, yeah, we're going to definitely need to beat this weather. Alright, let's get going. You can definitely see the bad weather approaching. That looks absolutely horrible. might get hit by some of this weather. Hopefully not, but we're gonna have to see. Nope, I'm getting hit by some of this no matter what I do. Ah, that sucks. I'm just gonna have to hunker down behind here and just kind of deal with this. This definitely is not turning out how I had envisioned. This is the first time getting caught in the rain on this bike, in heavy rain. I guess it was bound to happen at some point. I'm gonna be soaked already from this. Those three bikers must have gotten caught in this same rain too. God, this sucks. Oh man, who's trying to call me right now out of all the times? I mean, this is not gonna work. Probably a spam telemarketer. I've been getting some like telemarketers lately. My boots are getting soaked through at this point. Oh my gosh. At least I'll be able to air dry at this point. It's cold. It is definitely cold. Yeah, I am completely soaked at this point. This didn't turn out well at all. At this point, the only thing that's kind of dry on me is my crotch and my head. My head is actually kind of dry, so that's good. That's about the only thing that's dry on me. Well, this is going to be a good test of how the BMW does in the rain. I should have opted for my other leather jacket. I would have been fine, at least with that, at least with my chest being not drenched, but didn't think that it was going to be the case. We're going to have to see how this goes, because the meetup spot is actually not too far away from here. It's actually like 2-3 minutes from here, and yeah, I mean it is pretty much soaked, and I'm pretty sure everybody else is going to be soaked. Ow, this rain's kind of painful. It's like the big water droplet kind that just doesn't know when to stop. And now I'm actually feeling it on my back, the rain, which means my back is going to get soaked as well. Wonder how it would be if we were actually still going to try to do photography and such. How would that'd probably be some cool shots, depending. Yeah, I'm pretty much soaked. Now let's see who's actually here, because it's only like 10 minutes away, kind of deal, and nobody's here. I mean, that does not surprise me with it being as soaked as it is, that there is nobody here. So, I guess change of plans. I was going to try to ride through this, but honestly, trying to ride through this set of storms is going to be dicey. And here, I can show you guys real quick if my screen wants to work. So I can show you guys real quick that that's the storms right there. I mean, if it's getting caught on the camera, well, I mean, that's what just went through and what I got just caught in. And essentially, yeah, so here's where I'm at. I'm like right here. And where I need to go is basically over here. What's that? There, nobody showed up. No. I mean, maybe like they got like with this rain and everything, it got messed up. So yeah. So oh well. Yeah, you too. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, he was asking about the meetup, I guess. In any case, so yeah, so we're over here, all that heavy rain that just hit us and stuff. So where we need to go is this way, but the way this is going, all that rain is going that direction. And it won't stop until like 10 o'clock, not even. It's going to still keep going. So either way, I'm just going to get stuck in that, and I don't really want to get stuck in that. So I think this is going to just be a wash of a video that I probably will still like make, but yeah, this didn't work out as well as I wanted it to. So we are going to head back home and hopefully not get caught in any more rain. My glove is soaked. Oh man. Alrighty. Yeah, my glove is soaked. Everything is soaked. All right. Oh, this is squishy. I can literally squeeze out the water from my from my glove. Yeah, literally squeezing out the water out of my glove. All right. Let's get going home. Ride safe. No, I was saying ride safe in all this weather. Were you trying to come for? There was a meetup here. Were you trying to come for that, or you just? Fair. All right. Cool. Yeah. Thankfully, I was trying to beat it here, and I still got caught in it, and I'm completely soaked at this point. So, all right, buddy. Take it easy. Thank you. You too. Alright. My whole body is soaked. That's a shame. I was really looking forward to this. I guess it didn't work out. But I did get a new visor, and it's got a pin lock on it and everything, which is good. Because otherwise, my freaking visor would be fogging the hell up. Put some music on and just enjoy this ride, even though I definitely got soaked in it. There's big ass puddles everywhere, and it smells like marijuana over here as well. Yeah, now that it's stopped raining and it just airy the moment I start actually picking up speed, I am now getting kind of cold. Not gonna lie. I haven't been to this little section of freaking downtown Fort Worth in forever. They didn't have this little roundabout for a while. It used to be just a straight road that you could just go through with some stoplights, and they put that little roundabout along with this bridge. The bridge is nice. I mean, as far as, you know, bridges go. Definitely trying to, like, I guess, upscale this area a little bit. And I know there's some, like, a little bit further this way, there's some definite updating and new buildings, new apartments, like, what's the word that where they try to update an area that's like a little bit run down. I forget the word. If I remember, I'll put it up on the screen, because I'm just drawing a blank. I'm a little cold right now. There's another cloud storm right there. Well, that one, depending on the that one I should be able to miss at least since I'm going north this way. Thankfully I didn't try to go a little west and then north. I'm just going as north as possible, which is a little bit slower because I'm not taking highway, but it's a straight shot essentially to get back. In any case, I think that is going to wrap up today's video. Cute kid. But in any case, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't really much of a video. It's just more of me getting soaked. But yeah, good times and everything. So you gotta take the good with the bad kind of deal. So yeah. See you guys in the next video then.